Excel Chapter 4, pages 198 through 201. On page 198, please read Setting Label Units. To set the display unit for the value axis, step number 1, double-click the value axis. That opens your Format Axis dialog box. Click the Display Units arrow and then click Thousands. Okay, display units is right here. It currently says none, and we want it to read thousands. Move the dialog box so you can see the line chart's value axis. So, if this is laying on top of your chart like mine is, just grab it in the blue title bar and give it a tug and move it out of your way. The scale of the value axis changed from 0 to 20,000 in intervals of 5,000 to 0 through 20 in intervals of 5. The axis titled thousands indicates that the values are expressed in units of 1,000. To save space, you remove this title from chart. Step number 4. Click the Show Display Units label on chart checkbox to remove the check. See that right there? So we're just going to turn this off. It's gone. The chart pops over, fills the space. Top of page 199, please read the text there. Actually, that text is super important because we're going to be putting a code in, so make sure you read that. And you have to use quotation marks when we're doing this, so make sure you read that and you understand what you're doing and why. Alright, to create a custom format showing the thousands unit, step number 1, click Number on the left side of the Format Axis dialog box. Step number 2, click in the Format Code box after the number format, so right there, and type quotation K quotation. Just like that. You see it? Make sure that's exactly right. Click the Add button. The format code is added to the list of custom formats in the Type box. Click the Close button in the lower right-hand corner. The Format Axis dialog box closes, and the value axis labels are revised with the letter K added after each value. See Figure 4-24 and compare your chart to the one in the book and make sure that they match. Alright, overlaying a chart legend. Flip to page 200 to overlay and format the chart legend. Step number 1, double-click the legend. That opens the Format Legend dialog box. Step number 2, click the Show Legend without overlapping the chart at checkbox to remove the check. Did you see what that did? The size of the chart increases and the legend is now overlaying the chart. The plot and the legend intersect, and the plot area shows through the legend. Step number 3, click Fill on the left side of the Format dialog box and then Solid Fill. Fill, Solid Fill. Step number 4, click the Color button, color, and select white, the first color in the theme colors section. The legend now has a solid white background, making it easier to read. Step number 5, click the border color on the left side of the Format Legend dialog box, and then click the solid line option. Step number 6, click the Color button, and then click blue, the 8th color in the Standard Colors section. Click the Close button in the lower right-hand corner. The Format Legend dialog box closes and the reformatted legend overlays the chart. To move the chart legend. Step number 1. Position the pointer over a blank spot in the chart legend. Okay, going to be a little bit of a challenge, but you have one down here kind of in the lower right because you don't want to grab any chart element. Okay, and you should have a screen tip that says legend. Drag the legend to the lower right corner of the plot area so the bottom of the legend is on the horizontal axis. Right about there. Click and drag the upper left sizing handle of the legend down a few pixels until the legend no longer overlaps the lines of the chart. Just eyeball it. All right, top of page 201, adding grid lines. You know what, let's just reach up and click save right now. Never want to lose all the work we've done. All right, to add vertical grid lines to the chart, step number 1, click the Chart Tools Layout tab. In the Axes group, click the Grid Lines button. Point to the primary vertical grid lines and then click Minor Grid Lines. Vertical grid lines appear on the chart at each minor tick mark. And there they are. Adding an axis title. To add a title to the vertical axis, step number 1. In the Labels group, click Axis Titles. Point to Primary Vertical Axis Title, and then click Rotated Title. A title rotated 90 degrees is added to the axis. Type Return on 10K Investment. $, 10, no space, capital K, stop, proofread, make sure it's correct, and when it is, press your enter key. The descriptive title is entered, but it doesn't fit well. Click the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Font group, click the Font Size button arrow and select 8. In the Font group, click the Bold button to remove the bold face from the axis title. Click cell A9 to deselect the chart. The final version of the line chart is easier to read than the unformatted version and highlights how the New Century Fund has performed over the past 10 years compared to the 2 benchmarks. See Figure 4-26 and ensure that your chart looks like what's displayed in Figure 4-26. Then reach up, click Save, and we are halfway through this chapter. So let's go on to the next video.